Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Welcome. Problem number 29. We are preparing ledger accounts. After journal entries, next step is ledger accounts. Ledger accounts are the summary of accounts. Summary of accounts. All one type of account should be written at one place, that is called as a ledger. Okay. Earlier 28th problem, we prepared Mr. Raman account. All the transactions of Mr. Raman posted at one place. That account is called as Raman account with debits and credits. And there is a opening balance as well as a closing balance. But in Raman account, we don't have any opening balance. And at the end of October, Raman account is tallied. Now problem number 29. In the problem, he is asking us to prepare Mr. Small account. Mr. Small account, as it would appear in the books of Mr. Big. Ledger account in the books of Mr. Big. Think about we are Mr. Big. Okay. Mr. Small made credit purchases from Mr. Big. Mr. Small purchased from us. So we sold goods to Mr. Small. We pass journal entry, later we will write. Journal entries in the books of Mr. Big. Mr. Small account data to sales account. To sales account. Year is 2016. Month is March. First entry is Mr. Small account data to sales account. Amount is 1500. Goods sold to Small. Right. Goods sold to Small. Next date is this is March 7th. Next date is on 12th. Mr. Small returned defective goods. We received goods. Goods are coming in. Sales returns account data to Mr. Small account. Mr. Small is the giver. That's why he is credited. Amount is 150. Goods written by Mr. Small. Next, Mr. Small paid on account. Mr. Small paid amount. We received a cash account data to Mr. Small. Amount is 3,000. Narration, cash received from small. Next, 30th date. Small repaired the roof of Mr. Big's premises. Small repaired the roof of Mr. Big's premises and agreed to adjust the value of this work in his account. Amount is 500. So repaste account data. To Mr. Small. Amount is 530. Amount adjusted. Amount adjusted towards repairs. Okay, over. Transactions are over. Okay, you don't see this one. This belongs to last. So what is the balance of the account at the end of the month? Okay, that we will find. So from this four journal entries, we prepared Mr. Small account. First entry is Mr. Small account data to sales account. Date is 7th, 7th, and Mr. Small account data to sales account. Amount is 1500. Next, Mr. Small returned defective goods. So entry is sales returns account data to Mr. Small account. Mr. Small account is showing credit. Opposite name is sales returns. First name is the sales returns. So from that sales return, from credit side, we have to write opposite name by in small account, you have to write by sales returns. 2016. March. Sales returns date is 12. By sales returns account. By sales returns account, it is 150. Right. Mr. Small paid on account. Mr. Small paid, we received. So cash account data, get the entry. 15th date entry. Cash account data to small account. Small account is showing credit. We have to take the debit account name, that is cash. We have to write credit side, starts with by cash. amount is 3,000. That is a pin. Mr. Small repaired the roof. Entry is repairs to small account, and we are adjusting this amount towards repairs. By repairs account, is 530. Okay. Right. Now, how to make a clear balance. 530 total is 4,500. 4,500 minus 3,000, 1,500, 1,500, 850. 1350, 820. Amount is 820. That is balance. By balance carried on. Total is 4,000. So now the balance will be to balance brought down. $820. Okay, that is ledger account of for Mr. Small in the books of Mr. Big. Okay, you see that debit balance. Small owes 820 to Mr. Big. That is preparation of account, ledger account. Okay. So ledger is the book, principal book, main book or computer file for recording and totaling economic transactions measured in terms of monetary unit of account by account type with debits and credits in separate columns and beginning with a beginning balance and ending balance for each account. Each student, it's a very small one. Problem is very small. You just check it.